And we have decided today in the cabinet to open up a cooperative society, an apex cooperative society of the women self-help groups for financial services. And we are planning to call it Tangka. So Pla is bag in Kasi and Tangka is cash in Garo. So Tangka Cooperative Society, which will act as an apex cooperative body of the SHGs for financial services. What this does basically is to allow more access of funds through again a cooperative model at the top and apex level, where all the SHGs will be free to join this, subscribe to certain shares, and with a certain amount being subscribed in, they will be given access to funds, 5x or 10x of the amount that is deposited by them. And the benefit of this is, of course, that the cash will be more readily and easily available rather than them having to search and apply to cooperative banks or to other commercial banks, which then delays the entire process of them working. So this will allow and act as a financial corpus